Good morning. Breakfast today is oatmeal porridge, and these are the basic ingredients that I normally use when I make our oatmeal porridge. So we have a cup of 2% milk here, 2/3 of a cup of oatmeal, whole grain oatmeal, and raisins, about 1/3 of a cup, and this is cinnamon, about 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, let's start to make the porridge. I boiled a little bit of water here in the pan to start with the cooking. So I will put the cinnamon powder first. And then the raisins. Then our oatmeal. I will let it boil and then add the milk. Cinnamon powder gives this nice fragrant smell and flavor to the porridge. Now that it is boiling, let us add in the milk. We will simmer in low heat until it is soft and smooth. There we go. Our oatmeal is ready. Look how smooth. It's soft and smooth. This is how I like it. There you have it. Oatmeal for breakfast.